What am I? I can fly high in the sky, but I'm not a bird. I have wings, but I'm not a bat. I can take you to faraway places, but I'm not a car. So, what am I? Correct. I am a plane. I have black and white keys, but I am not a keyboard. I am big and heavy, but you can play me with your fingers. I make beautiful music, but I am not a singer. So, what am I? Yes, I am a piano. I have white fur, but I'm not a snowball. I live in the cold, but I'm not a refrigerator. I am a bear, but I'm not a brown bear. So, what am I? You're right. I am a polar bear. I can be hot, but I am not a sun. I can be dangerous, but I am not a storm. I can cook your food, but I am not a stove. So, what am I? Easy, right? I am fire. I can be gentle, but I can also be fierce. I can make flowers grow, but I can also flood. I come from the sky, but I am not a cloud. So, what am I? Brilliant. Yes, I am rain. Today's vocabulary: black and white keys, a keyboard, beautiful music, big and heavy, fly high, faraway places, white fur, a refrigerator.